Should you fill the torque converter completely up with fluid before installing the transmission? Filling the torque converter partially is a good practice, but you don't need to fill it completely before installing it. Here's why. Hydraulic pressure. When you finally install the transmission, the hydraulic system will pump in the necessary fluid to fill the torque converter completely. Think of it as priming. You want to help it along, but the transmission system will take care of the full job. Installation ease. A completely filled torque converter is heavy and unwieldy. This only makes installing it more difficult and prone to errors. Leave some capacity so it's more manageable. Air pockets torque converters are designed to handle fluid dynamics well, so when you partially fill them, they can circulate the fluid effectively once the vehicle is started up. This helps push out any lingering air pockets that might have formed during the install. Avoid overfilling. Overfilling can cause fluid to spill out during installation, which is messy and inefficient. If you fill it partially, you'll avoid this hassle and potential damage. In summary, when installing a new transmission, you can partially fill the torque converter with fluid to help the system along. Once installed, your vehicle's hydraulic system will finish the job, ensuring proper fluid levels and efficient operation.